Alright, so I got 10 rows of 10 regular size cans, so that's 100, and then 20 of the monster bigger cans. So all in total 120. I'll do the math. So that's 100 of these, 20 of these equals to, this is going to be the graphics right there. I'm saying when you're playing with fire, and I am by no means an expert. Carry a fire extinguisher handy just in case. So because aluminum oxidizes really quick, especially with those thin walled cans, I'm going to add this ingot here. That's 105 grams, or 3.7 ounces to begin. When I throw this in there, it's going to melt, it's going to create a pool, it's going to have just that thin layer at the top of oxidation, so that when I dip the cans in, they don't all oxidize immediately. They'll be submerged into something that kind of protects them from oxygen as they're burning up. So we're going to count this along with the cans as they're starting to melt. Okay, so the results of 150 cans burned. Some dross at the top, slag at the bottom. I don't know if I could use that. And 6 bars. I'm gonna weigh them and see how much I lost, and compare that to the electric furnace with the argon gas to limit oxidation. See if that's any better. All right, so end of the day, I got 963 grams, almost a kilo, and 2 pounds, 2 ounces of aluminum.